Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our fourth lecture of our course Digital Electronics. Okay, in today's lecture we will study the conversion from number system to the decimal, like from binary to decimal, octal to decimal, and hexa to decimal. So, to convert the number binary to decimal, the first number we have is 111000 to 10. For this, the rule we have is we will multiply with base of number system. Okay, we will multiply with base of number system, not the LCM multiplication. So to convert this, we have 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, then plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 and plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. Now we will write it. The answer we have 16, 8, 0 plus 0 and plus 0. The final answer 16 plus 8, that is 24. The answer we have is 24. This is how we go from binary number system to the decimal. And to convert from octal to decimal, we will multiply with base of 8. We will take the number 47 in octal and we will convert it to the decimal with base 10. So 8 raised to power 0 multiplied by 7 plus 8 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4. That is 32 plus 1, 7. And the answer we have is 39. Final answer is 39 with base 10. Now to go from hexa to decimal, we will use the number in hexa with base 16, C, E, 0. Now we will convert it to the numbers. It is 12, 14, 0, and now we will convert it to the decimal with base 10. For this again we will multiply it as 16 raised to power 0 multiplied by 0, and in hexa this is our whole number, like this is not 1 and 4, this is complete 14. So plus 16 raised to power 1 multiplied by 14 plus 16 raised to power 2 multiplied by 12. This is 3072. You can use the calculator for this multiplication. We have a 0. So our final answer is 3296. In hexa we have this. Sorry, in decimal we have this 3296. We are going from hexa to decimal.